Oh my God, you guys. Guess what came in the mail just now? Ta-da! Amazon man just delivered the proof copy of my book, Bodylicious. So I'm gonna open it, and I've been waiting. I've been tracking the package ever since I placed the order, and it surprised me with a much earlier delivery than I thought. And here it is. It's here. It's real, you guys. It's real. And as you can see, this is really manageable, right? It is a small but mighty book. You're going to get so much out of it. I can't wait for you to experience Bodylicious for yourself. There's some assessments you can take. There's what I'm hoping is a really interesting story for you to follow that's going to make it even more interesting. And I'm working on a few more other stuff for you guys, one of them being the audiobook. That is not going to be me reading it because I tried it. It was so tiring and not the quality that I wanted. So I am creating a full cast audiobook for you. So that's coming later, but today I just wanted to share my excitement about receiving my book in the mail. So here it is, Bodylicious. It's available on Amazon for pre-order. When you order it as a pre-order, you unfortunately Amazon won't let you pre-order the print copy, so you can only pre-order the Kindle version. And when you pre-order the Kindle version, you're going to get the audiobook for free. Okay. So yes, go ahead, pre-order your book. And I can't wait for it to come back out on July 4th. All right, you guys. Bye. I'm going to go reread it for the nth time. Bye.